What happens now, since it's the same issue, two opposing rulings?
Well, because it's a split opinion, it could lead to, being appealed and heard at the Supreme Court. It still has to make its way through the legal system. As of now, that could take months up to years. But the fact is that these plaintiffs really just want the Obama administration to follow its own law. There is so much lawlessness that has already happened through the implementation of Obamacare since day one of its passage in 2010.
What would this mean for North Carolina right now? Does it mean anything, or do we just kind of, hold in place?
Right. As of now, North Carolina holds in place. All the individuals who receive subsidies will continue to receive subsidies. But ultimately, if the flow of these subsidies are clotted to federal exchanges, including North Carolina, that could mean that taxpayers and exchange enrollees would merely be exposed to the full cost of Obamacare, knowing how expensive and pricey these plans are. So I'm not saying that, definitely this would have to open up the law. Congress would have to, it is their legislative authority and power to re-examine the law and figure out other ways in which healthcare can be affordable for the majority of Americans without having the majority subsidize a minority of the population.